Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect model to showcase your product or spent too much on expensive photo shoots? What if I told you there's a smarter way, one that gives you high quality visuals without all the hassle of hiring real people?
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Let me introduce you to TopView Product Avatars, a revolutionary AI-powered tool that lets you present your products using just a single image. Imagine having a digital model ready to display your product instantly. That means faster videos, less cost, and a professional look every time. In today's competitive market, presentation is everything. Whether you're running an online store or building a standout marketing campaign, your product visuals need to grab attention. But now, you don't need expensive shoots or hired models. TopView changes everything. TopView's product avatars use advanced AI to bring your products to life. Just upload your image and watch as a realistic digital avatar holds and showcases your item with style. It's like having a virtual modeling studio right at your fingertips. These avatars aren't just static images, they're animated, customizable, and hyper-realistic. You can tweak their look, tone, and personality to match your brand's identity. The process is super simple. Choose your favorite avatar. Click Replace with my product image. Upload your product photo. The AI will automatically remove the background and position it perfectly. Click Confirm. And you're done. If you'd like, you can even regenerate the result or convert it into a video avatar for more engaging visuals. With just one image, you can skip the need for real models and create stunning content for your brand.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Now, if you want to generate a custom video using your own script, TopView makes it super simple. Just click on the Use My Script button. On the right side, you'll see a text box. This is where you can enter the text you want the avatar to speak. If you prefer, you can also import an audio file instead of using AI-generated voice. For this demo, I'll go ahead and type the script directly into the box. Next, choose your AI voice. TopView offers a variety of realistic voices in different languages and tones, so you can match your brand's personality perfectly.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate AI.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate.
Once your script and voice are ready, just click the Generate button. Now, enter your video name, select your preferred resolution, and finally, hit Export. And just like that, your custom video is ready. Here's the final result.
Discover the secret to soft, radiant skin with our advanced cream, specially formulated for young, delicate skin. Lightweight yet deeply nourishing, it absorbs quickly without clogging pores, leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and refreshed.
Simple, fast, and professional. Let's talk about one of TopView's newest and most exciting features, Product Anyshoot. This tool allows you to fit any product into any scenario, making it perfect for realistic try-ons, lifestyle shots, or product showcases. Whether you're selling clothes, gadgets, or accessories, Product Anyshoot blends your item naturally into any image, adjusting the perspective, lighting, and angles to make it look truly real. Using it is super simple. First, upload your product image. For example, I'll upload this one. Next, choose the target image. This is the scene where your product will be placed. You can use TopView's public templates if you want, but in this case, I'll upload my own custom image. Once the image is uploaded, select the brush thickness tool and mark the area where you want your product to appear. After that, just click the Generate button, and within seconds, TopView will smartly place your product into the image, adjusting shadows, perspective, and lighting automatically. The result? A seamless, realistic product showcase that looks like it was part of a professional photo shoot. Turn static images into videos. Want to take it a step further? You can transform your image into a video using the Image to Video feature. Just click on the button, select the image you just created, and enter a prompt. Then choose a mode, either standard or professional. Next, set the video duration, the number of output variations, and finally hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get a high-quality, AI-generated video that looks incredibly real and engaging. It's perfect for ads, social media, and product pages. This is the power of TopView. Realistic product visuals without the need for photographers, models, or editors. Let's talk about TopView's pricing plan. Designed to be flexible and budget-friendly for everyone, TopView offers both monthly and yearly subscription options, so you can choose what works best for you. Free plan, $0 USDT. Try out TopView's basic features at no cost. Great for testing and getting started. Starter plan, $9.9 USDT per month. Unlock more features, perfect for creators and small businesses. Special plan, just $44.9 USDT. This plan gives you extra value at a lower price, ideal for users who want more credits and advanced tools. And there's even more plans available depending on your usage needs, whether you're creating a few videos or managing multiple products. So go ahead, pick a plan that fits your budget, and start using TopView to create high-quality product visuals at unbeatable prices. The link to explore all the plans is in the video description. Check it out and level up your marketing with TopView today. Thank you. Bye-bye.